So folks, here at Cunningham Auto Point, we're the main dealer for Subaru in Galway, and we'd like to present to you the Subaru Forester e-BOXER. It's a 2-litre 150 brake horsepower, all-wheel drive, 5-seater SUV. So we'll just give you a walk around the car and give you a look at some of the features then in a moment. So the headlights are adaptive, which means that when you turn the steering wheel to go around the corner, the headlights follow you around with it, giving you a better feeling of safety and more directional light. The car also has fog lights. It has very nice 18-inch alloys. It is this chrome finish down along the bottom of the car, just to give you a better look of elevation on the car. Chrome surrounds on the wing mirrors, and those are fold away as well when the car is locked. You'll notice that the car has roof bars, and a full range of accessories can be fitted to the car, like roof boxes. The car has automatic door opening on the key, rear door opening, and as you can see, a huge boot. As I said earlier, the car is an all-wheel drive, and it has 3 functions also in the all-wheel drive for different weather conditions: snowy, icy, hilly, mucky. So that's the outside of the car. Now we'll show you the interior. So the interior of the Forester e-BOXER in this specification has a beautiful brown Napa leather, and it's also finished into the door cards as well, along the front dash, and even over here on the driver's side, lovely soft finished. And you can see that it's also stitched in a white cord. The door card here again, just a close-up of it. Stunning brown leather and a Napa leather, lovely soft leather. The car also has fold-away mirrors, electric windows front and rear. It has memory seats, 2-position memory seats. The car has a button start, and as I said, it's fully automatic, and then you have 3-positional 4-wheel drive. A large screen will start the car in a while there, and we'll show you that as well. And then obviously on the steering wheel you have your cruise control, your Bluetooth, your radio CD controls are there as well. So the back of the car has ample legroom, as you can see here. It also has a luxury pull down armrest with double cup holder. Down in the centre, something you don't see on many SUVs of this class, are heated seats, heated rear seats. So you have front seats, but you also have heated rear seats. You have power points and USB here in the back also. The car also has a panoramic sunroof, and that opens as well. There's a manual cover for pulling it across on days you don't want the light coming in. You have a vent over here on the passenger side rear, and that vent is to allow air into the cooling of the battery, because it's a hybrid car. As it's a hybrid, some people may be interested to know where the battery is in the car, and it is here in the boot space, and it is over the back axle. So that's just a look at the battery there. This cover then comes down, covers that area, and as I said earlier, the boot space is ample for buggies, golf clubs, or any other needs you might have in the back. It's a huge boot space. The rear seats can be folded down by pulling the switch on either side, and there's carriage bag holders here on the back left, and a cover for the boot. So that's the startup of the BOXER Forester, and the car is very, very smooth on startup. It's a 2-litre petrol, as I said, 150 brake horsepower, and hybrid. So on the steering wheel, you can see here that you have lane assist, you have cruise control, lane departure, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth for your phone, and radio controls on the side there. Furthermore, on the steering wheel here, you have a heated steering wheel switch. You also have a flappy paddle gearbox on either side. You have automatic headlights and adaptive headlights, as I said. Then leading you on to the different screens on the car, you have your home screen, you have satellite navigation screen, radio screen, app screen, and media screen. So it's a very, very clear system, very, very clear screen. And where that really helps out is when you have to use the cameras on the car. So you have a rear reversing camera with lane assist on it there, and you also have rear automatic brake. So when the rear automatic brake is on, if you were reversing and there was something that you hadn't seen and you were about to hit it, then the car will brake automatically. A feature that is on very few cars. Furthermore, down here you have your automatic climate control. Again, nice feature to have. You have height adjustable and telescopic steering on the car. And as I said, you can't get it from the film, but the smell of leather in here is just beautiful, and it's a lovely brown Napa leather. Another feature is the side view camera. Hope you can pick that up on the screen there. So again, if you were traveling along a country lane and you wanted to see how close you are to the ditch or how much more you can pull in, then you can actually see it on the camera on the passenger side. Again, it's a very helpful camera as well for parking, especially on the off side of the car, the passenger side of the car, where you may not be able to see what's below the bonnet of the car. And that can be viewed here by pressing the view camera button there. So listen, I hope you have enjoyed the look around the Forester, and it may be something that is of interest, and if it is, please call us at Cunningham Auto Points 091 383 000. Thank you.